How to see who shared my post on Instagram. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process on how you can find out who has shared their post on Instagram. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing that you need to do is open up your Instagram. Once you open up your Instagram, all you need to do now is go ahead and tap on the profile section at the bottom right corner. And you just want to head over to the post that you want to check. So I'm just going to check the first post on my profile. And what you are going to do now is tap on the three lines. And once you do that, you just have to scroll down and you will see this option right here, view story reshares. Just tap on it and it will show you all of the current public reshares, and just tap on it. It will show you the profile who has shared your story as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. If the stories reshares are not available, then that means that the public story has been archived or it has been deleted. So you will not be able to see this on every post. It will only be visible on the posts that have been shared or that are actively on share. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.